Entering into the condo, Unit 511, Building H. To the right is the kitchen. Formica counters, stainless steel sink, microwave, little toaster oven on the counters. Pass through into the living area. Back to the hallway. Turning to the left, straight in is the guest bath. Very clean, very neat. Caulking up at the ceiling probably needs to be redone. Back into the guest bedroom. And a storage closet directly across from the guest bedroom. Dining area, living area. Looking back through the pass-through into the kitchen. Additional little seating area. Out to the LANAI. Gorgeous lake view. Washer dryer all set up in your storage closet. Back into the master. There are some things marked with pink tape that I imagine they're taking. Little TV in the bedroom. Little boxes in the shelf. Jewelry chest, computer equipment, but a nice desk here. Master bath with a walk-in shower. Again, this needs some caulking at the corners. Back in, and then here is the closet. Decent size, and this desk area is very nice. Going back into the living area, the little lamp and little table have a red marking. There's a yellow and pink marker on this china cabinet. That picture has a marker. The table has a marker. This little table has a marker. Little table has a marker. Little table has a marker. TV has a marker. Book magazine rack has a marker. And I don't see any markers on furniture out here.